How to sort a list of objects based on an attribute of the objects. I have a list of Python objects that I want to sort by a specific attribute of each object. How do I sort the list by .count in descending order?
To sort the list in place. To return a new list, use sorted. Explanation. Key equals lambda x column x dot count, sorts by count. Reverse equals true sorts in descending order. More on sorting by keys.
A way that can be fastest, especially if your list has a lot of records, is to use operator .iterator count. However, this might run on an pre-operator version of Python, so it would be nice to have a fallback mechanism. You might want to do the following, then.
Readers should notice that the key equals method is many times faster than adding rich comparison operators to the objects. I was surprised to read this, page 485 of Python in a nutshell. You can confirm this by running tests on this little program. My very minimal tests show the first sort is more than 10 times slower, but the book says it is only about 5 times slower in general. The reason they say is due to the highly optimized sort algorithm used in Python, timsort. Still, it's very odd that .sort, lambda, is faster than plain old .sort. I hope they fix that.
If you watch this book channel, please consider liking and subscribing.